Hello, my name is Tiffany C. Wright, and today we have another helpful tip from the Resourceful CEO. Today I am talking about something very near and dear to my heart, cash flow management. If you are a smaller business, meaning that you don't have revenues of $100 million, you have anywhere from a few hundred thousand to even 20 to 25 million, then cash is king. And let me tell you that when I say cash is king, I mean cash is king. It presides over your company. It is the law of the land. You can be a profitable company. You can have on 10 million in revenue, you can have a profit of 1.5 million. But if you have outstanding receivables of 1.6 million, you may see very little cash. And you can be unprofitable, but run your business in a way that you generate significant cash, and your business can go on for years being unprofitable as long as it pulls in cash. But if your cash seizes up and you don't have access to the cash you need to pay your bills, you can be gone in a month. Seriously, you can be gone in a month. I have seen businesses that have had significant revenues. I knew there was one company that had grown from 20 million to 100 million in the space of 3 years. And in growing, they had their incentives to their salespeople were structured incorrectly. So instead of focusing on gross margin, they focused on overall revenue, and also they didn't focus on the collection of the billings. So the salespeople were motivated to sell, but not motivated to sell to customers that they could collect from. So when the economic downturn hit, this company was hammered. They had to bring in a turnaround management company to help them get a handle on their receivables and stop them from going bankrupt because they had no more access to cash. So when I say cash is important, it really is. And I will do a webinar or a little series, a little training event to illustrate to you why cash flow is so important. But just remember, you track your cash flow on your cash flow statement. You don't track cash flow on your balance sheet. You can see how much cash is in your accounts on your balance sheet, but that's not tracking your actual cash flow. You need to convert your receivables to cash, your inventory to cash. All of that needs to become cash, and that is tracked on your cash flow statement. If you use QuickBooks or Peachtree or any other accounting software, you can generate a cash flow statement just as easily as you can generate a profit and loss statement, or otherwise known as an income statement, or your balance sheet. So use it. Please use it and track your cash on a weekly basis. If you're smaller and you don't use these on a regular basis, then stay tuned for additional tips which will tell you how to create a weekly cash flow statement that you can track on a weekly or daily basis. Again, this is another helpful hint from the Resourceful CEO.